Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 40 MCQ in history of microbiology. First 65 question is already discussed. The video link is provided in description. This is a quick revision video and we start. 66 question is light gathering capacity of microscope is called. Light gathering capacity of microscope is called numerical aperture. Option A is right, numerical aperture. 67 question is if 10 times and 40 times objectives are used, air is the medium, the numerical aperture is 1.0. Option C is right, 1.0. Next question is the ability of microscope to distinguish two objects into two separate objects is called. The ability of microscope to distinguish two objects into two separate objects is called resolving power. Option A is right. Resolving power. Next question is limit of resolution of compound microscope is of compound microscope is 0.1 mm. Option B is right. 0.1 mm. Next question is source of light in fluorescence microscopy is from. Source of light in fluorescence microscopy is from mercury lamp. Option A is right. Mercury lamp. Next question is who perfected a magnetic lens in 1927? Who perfected a magnetic lens in 1927 is Geber. Option A is right. Geber. Next question is the magnification power of electron microscope developed by Neil and Ruska is. The magnification power of electron microscope developed by Neil and Ruska is 12,000 times. Option B is right. 12,000 times. Next question is in electron microscope source of electron is from. In electron microscope source of electron is from tungsten metal. Option B is right. Tungsten metal. Next question is the electron passed out from the specimen are called. The electron passed out from the specimen are called secondary electrons. Option B is right. Secondary electrons. Next question is Microaza was first observed by Frank. Option B is right. Frank. 76 question is the transfer of genetic material during transformation is proved basis on Griffith's experiment by. The transfer of genetic material during transformation is proved basing on Griffith's experiment by Avery MacLeod and McCarthy. Option A is right. Avery MacLeod and McCarthy. Option A is right. Next question is phagocytic theory was proposed by Ilya Marknikov. Ilya Marknikov. Option B is right. Next question is Anaphylaxia was first observed by Parter and Richards. Option A is right. Parter and Richards. Next question is primary mediator in anaphylaxis. Primary mediator in anaphylaxis is histamine, serotonin, and heparin. Option D is right. All of these. Option D is right. Next question: Arthur's reaction was discovered by Maris Arthurs. Option A is right. Maris Arthurs. Question number 81 is serum sickness reaction was discovered by Bon Perquit. Option B is right. Bon Perquit. 82 is hybridoma technique was developed by Kochler and Milestone and Neil Jordan. Niels Jordan. Option C is right. Both A and B. Option C is right. 83 is disease that affect many people at different country in termed as disease that affect many people at different countries termed as pandemic. Option B is right, pandemic. 84 is if the vectors transmit the infection mechanically they are called. If the vectors transmit the infection mechanically they are called mechanical vector. Option B is right, mechanical vector. 85 is if a person can be infected by direct contact with infected tissue of another person, it is termed as. If a person can be infected by direct contact with infected tissue of another person, it is termed as direct contact transmission. Option C is right, direct contact transmission. 86 is the reduction of virulence is known as. Reduction of virulence is known as attenuation. Option B is right, attenuation. 87 is enhancement of virulation is known as. Enhancement of virulation is known as exaltation. Option A is right, exaltation. 88 is the virulence of a pathogen is usually measured by. Virulence of a pathogen is usually measured by LD, MLD, and ID. All of these. Option D is right. All of these. 89 is the lethal dose (LD) required to kill 50% of the lab animals tested under standard called. The lethal dose (LD) required to kill 50% of the lab animals tested under standard called LD50. Option B is right. 90 is the most important virulence factor are the most important virulence factor are adhesions, invasiveness, toxicity, enzymes. Option E is right. All of these above. 91 is the ability of a pathogen is spread in the host tissues after stabilizing the infection is known as. The ability of a pathogen to spread in the host tissues after stabilizing the infection is known as invasiveness. Option B is right. Question number 92 is which is the following enzymes act as a spreading factor? Which is the following enzymes act as a spreading factor? Is hyaluronidase. Option A is right. Hyaluronidase. 93 is Vibrio cholera was discovered by. Vibrio cholera was discovered by Machnikov. Machnikov. Option B is right. B is right. Machnikov. 94 is E. coli was discovered first isolated by. E. coli was first isolated by Escherichia. Option B is right. Escherichia. 95 is Mycobacterium tuberculosis was first discovered by. Mycobacterium tuberculosis was first discovered by Robert Koch. Option A is right. 96 is Mycobacterium leprae was discovered by. Mycobacterium leprae was discovered by Hansen. Option B is right. Hansen. 96 is Streptococcus pneumoniae was isolated by. Streptococcus pneumoniae was isolated by Louis Pasteur. Option D is Louis Pasteur. 98 is B. anthracis was isolated by. B. anthracis was isolated by Robert Koch. Option B is right. Robert Koch. 99 is Staphylococcus aureus was isolated by. Staphylococcus aureus was isolated by Louis Pasteur. Option B is Louis Pasteur. 100 is Pseudomonas aeruginosa was first named. Pseudomonas aeruginosa was first named Schroeder and Gizzard. Option A is right. Schroeder and Gizzard. Next question is T. pallidum was discovered by. T. pallidum was discovered by Shorden and Hoffman. Option B is right. Shorden and Hoffman. 102 is Neisseria gonorrhea was first described by. Neisseria gonorrhea was first described by Pasteur in 1878. Pasteur in 1878. 103 is Rh factor of the blood was discovered by Rh factor of the blood was discovered by scientists Landsteiner and Wiener. Landsteiner and Wiener. Option B is right. 104 is Treponema pallidum was discovered by T. pallidum was discovered by Shorden and Hofmann. Option A is right. Shorden and Hofmann. 105 is fluorescent substance used in fluorescent microscopy are fluorescent substance used in fluorescent microscopy are quinine sulfate and auramine. Quinine sulfate and auramine. Option C is right. All of the above. All of these. These are 105 question in history of microbiology. If you found this video helpful for you, you can like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.